Hello guys, it's your boy Liddy here, boy. It's your boy Liddy, and today I'm teaching you how to grow corn. And you're wondering, like, wait a minute, why the heck you put it in a pot? Now I'm gonna show you. See how corn grows? You can easily confuse this for a piece of random grass in your garden, and all the while is actually corn growing from the ground. And look, a little snail there. And the reason why I put them in this is how to grow corn. And I had a package of seeds, took 7 to 14 days to sprout. And one thing about growing them in these little peat pots is that the roots will grow like right on the bottom, but no roots are growing right now, so I don't need to transplant them yet. There's nothing in these two pots. I'm still waiting. Actually, this one here is for every day, and they ain't sprouted yet. So yeah, but this is corn. And it's been sprouted. Let's see, it's been at least a week and a half since they sprouted. It's been at least a week and a half since they sprouted. So yeah, so this is literally a week and a half old corn. And I'll be uploading more videos on how to grow other vegetables and show you how things are growing. And what people ask me now, how are damn tomatoes? Well, to be honest, I took them out of the room, then I put them right in the ground. Like, one got toppled over, so that wasn't going to grow no more, but the other two are in the ground. I'll show you in another video, but they're actually doing good, and I'll make sure I upload that soon. But this is the how to grow corn 2023, starting off the new year healthy. And I'm gonna show you what they will look like in the future, probably a week after this video is uploaded, or probably 2 weeks, just to keep it interesting. And then, well, after this video I might just put some more corn seeds down so you can see how long it takes to grow, and different sizes and all this here, to make sure you know what to do. And also guys, when they are this young, corn seeds, do not put any nutrients in them. And the best thing about these pots, I can tell when to put the nutrients in, because since you see the roots come out the bottom of these little peat pots, you'll be able to transplant them. And right after you transplant them, you water it, let the pot and the roots grow. Well, the pot's not going to grow, it's going to rot away, but the root will grow through the pot. And once it catches in the ground, that's when you put some nutrients in it. So yeah, this is how to grow corn in 2023. I hope you guys had a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.